Hi virtuous people, welcome to Virtual Gist and Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's Skill Matters, what we have for you is turmeric powder made easy. And the organic turmeric powder you are seeing on the table is the result of it all. If you want to know how I came up with this result, please sit back. Let's get right into the video. The root you are seeing here is called turmeric. It has been washed already and it is the only recipe we are looking at today. It is from the root that we got the turmeric organic powder we just flashed to you. Turmeric is a flowering plant. It belongs to the family of ginger, the root of which a powder prepared from it are used in cooking condiment as in curry powder or as a yellow dye or medicine. This turmeric has a lot of health benefits, of which we will be discussing some of them as we proceed. It has 4 different methods of making it, which is skin on, peeled, raw and finger methods. In this video we are going to discuss the organic method of making turmeric powder, which is the raw method. Right now I want to turn my turmeric on my tray. After doing it, I will start peeling it one after the other until I am done. Remember that I told you that turmeric has a lot of health benefits, which we'll be discussing as we proceed on the video. Turmeric provides relief from arthritic pains. Turmeric is good for your brain, and turmeric aids in digestion. It also has a lot of healing properties. Turmeric regulates your blood sugar level, which is diabetes. Turmeric boosts your immunity and it also helps your liver detox. These are some of the health benefits of turmeric. If you want to know more concerning the health benefits of turmeric, please, you can Google to know more about turmeric. If you must do this method or try this method, please, you must apply some patience in peeling it. You can as well boil it just the way it is without peeling it, cut it, dry it and make your turmeric powder. But for me, I feel that some of the nutrients has been taken off during the process of boiling it. I have tested the two and I can differentiate the difference between the boiling, the raw and the finger method of turmeric. And I am telling you that the raw method of turmeric is the very best method of making your turmeric powder. Remember that turmeric has a very strong color which can stain your hands or anywhere around where you are making it. Meanwhile, to clean any stain after making your turmeric powder, you can use your baking soda, your lemon juice or your vinegar to take off any stain. Okay? Yeah. Right now I'm done peeling the turmeric, as you can see. This is the peels. There is nothing called waste in turmeric family. I'm going to use this peel to prepare my facial scrub, while the root I will be using it for my turmeric organic powder. The next thing I'm gonna do now is to wash it again and tell you the next thing to do. Okay, right now I'm done washing the turmeric. The next thing I will do is to introduce my grinder. Why I want to use my grinder is because I want it to cut it little by little to enable the sun dry it on time. Okay, now I will start grinding it one after the other until I am done, and when I'm done, sure, I will get back to you. But if you want to use your knife to cut this, if you don't have a grinder, please, you can do that as well. They all goes. Okay guys, after grinding it, this is what we came up with. The next thing we want to do now is to transfer it on our tray and spray it out so that we'll go and sun dry it. Yes, I want to sun dry it because I want everything organic. Please, if you don't want to sun dry it, you can as well use your oven to dry it, or you can also use your dehydrator to dry it. Okay, and before drying it outside, make sure you use something like net to cover your trays to avoid dirt or dust entering the turmeric. So in some places it's gonna take 2 days before drying up, but for where I am it's gonna take some hours because where I am is very hot. Guys, I'll get back to you when it is dry. Okay, the turmeric is dried. As you can see, it took me up to 6 hours before I were able to get this. But in some areas where there is no much sun, it might take you more than 2 days, or let's say 3 days. Now, without wasting time, let's start blending it. Now I'll pour it into my blender and blend it into a fine powder. Okay, so right now I will start blending it. Okay, when I'm done, I'll get back to you. Guys, after blending it, the next thing I want to do is to sieve it. Can you see what I got after sieving it? These are some lumps. Okay, the one under is a fine powder. Now what I will do is to store it in my airtight container, and it will stay there until I finish using it. Okay guys, on this junction, my turmeric powder made easy is ready. Guys, the turmeric powder made easy is ready. As you can see, this is organic turmeric powder, no addictive, no nothing. Very healthy, and the nutrients are so intact, making your DIY turmeric at home remain the best. If you like what you see today, guys, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, share this video, and always drop your comment. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.